If you've ever felt the crushing devastation of your computer power cord being pulled out before you saved your data, then you understand the value of a latched connector. TE Connectivity Power VersaLock connectors alleviate such stress while offering low mating force and 4 points of contact that make unexpected disconnects a thing of the past. The Power VersaLock connectors have a maximum current rating of 15 amps, a maximum voltage rating of 600 volts AC, and are available in multiple configurations from 1 to 6 positions on a 5mm center line. Once mated, the Power VersaLock connectors provide an IP67 sealed connection, which allows them to work in wet and dusty environments. TPA back covers and mounting clips are optional, and a patented twist and lock cap offering allows moisture to drip away from the connection. Power VersaLock connectors operate from -30 to +105 degrees Celsius, and they're ideal for HVAC, home appliances, industrial equipment, and many other applications.